Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit selection pane list in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to edit the selection pane. At first, select any object. You can select the picture or shape. Now I am select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose the selection pane option. And we can see here the selection pane. You can edit this. You can move the shape up and down. Otherwise hide all or show all. You can move the shape up or the down using this arrow. You can close this. Now we can see we edit selection pane easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.